your body. Ride it with you, ride or die for your nigga, girl, like Bonnie. In the city with the top down, with you on my side in the Rari. I just wanna know if.
What's up, everybody? It's Koda.
And Kendall here. Before the video starts, we just wanted to give a huge thank you to everyone who's been showing so much love and support for us. And we just wanted to say that it means a lot. And on to the video.
Alright, in today's video, as you can see, we're going to be doing something with food. We're going to call it the Chicken Nugget Challenge, but there might be another name for it. We have 4 different fast food restaurants, chicken nuggets, and we'll be blindfolded and fed the chicken nugget, and we have to guess out of the 4 which restaurant it is. First?
Yeah. Okay, so since the chicken nuggets are like different like textures, like KFC is like popcorn chicken, not really the chicken nuggets, we're gonna like rip them up so like you can't feel the texture, everything, so. I'm gonna mix it.
Which one's which? Try that one. Yeah, it's tastes similar. Get the whole chicken nugget. Oh no! Gosh, this makes me nervous for my turn.
McDonald's.
Okay.
Take it right?
You're not allowed to know until the very end.
So I guess McDonald's.
What? They taste the same. Oh
That's McDonald's. That's it. For sure.
no. No. That's different. That tastes like real chicken.
I'm gonna say Burger King. This one's spicy.
What?
A little bit of heat on it.
That's last final one. What? Ew.
KFC.
Alright. Take off the blindfold. You got one right.
I got one right.
You got one right. This was Wendy's.
I forgot we had Wendy's.
First one that you had.
Yeah, but that tastes like fish. Dang.
You got 1 for 4.
Dang.
Wendy's. McDonald's. McDonald's.
Okay.
Oh, you don't like it? No. Did you not pick on me? No.
This was the one that you didn't like either.
How do you know? You remember what it tastes like?
No, but you said it tasted bad. I'm gonna say Burger King.
Why do you keep like...
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below, Team Kendall, because I won. Alright.
Team Koda all the way.
We love you guys, and peace out.
Done.